By the end of this lesson, I will be able to apply the quotient of powers property. Essential question: how can I analyze mathematical patterns to create a rule for laws of exponents? So the first question is, what does the rule say? It says that if you have a quotient and you're dividing powers that have the same basis, all you have to do is subtract the exponent. So instead of expanding it out, all you'll do is keep the basis and subtract the exponents. So let's look at example number 1. G to the 5th power divided by G to the 3rd power. And you could also rewrite it as this, with the division symbol, because it means the same thing. All you have to do is write down your base, because it's going to be the same, and then subtract your exponents. 5 minus 3. So when you do 5 minus 3, it's just G to the 2nd power. Is this in its simplest form? Yes, it is. And you're done. Let's look at a second example. X to the negative 5th power divided by x to the negative 10th power. Again, you can rewrite it as a division problem. Divided by x to the negative 10th. Again, all you have to do is subtract the exponents. Now, this is where you have to be careful with your integer operation. Remember a skill you learned from 7th grade. Negative 5 minus a negative 10. Again, you have these two minus signs together. It means the opposite of negative 10. What's the opposite of negative 10? It's positive. So what you would do is pretty much change each of these numbers into a positive. And now what you have is negative 5 plus 10. If you go back to your number line or go back to your rules, it says the different signs you have to subtract. And you take the sign of a higher number. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So your answer is just x to the positive 5th power. Let's take a look at the next problem. 4 times g to the 8th power divided by 10 times g to the 5th power. We have a fraction. And then we have these powers like the similar problem. Again, what I recommend doing is worry about the coefficients first, 4 over 10. If you can simplify it, why not go ahead and simplify it? What number goes into 4 and 10 evenly? That's right, the greatest common factor is 2. So you divide it by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we're going to have left is 2/5. Now we can concentrate on the variable. Again, it's still quotient of powers. What does it tell you to do? Subtract the exponents. So now we're going to have, I'm going to do my scratchwork on the sides, g to the 8 minus 5 power. 8 minus 5 is 3. So your result is 2/5 times g to the 5th. Or it could be 2g to the 3rd over 5. It's equivalent forms. And you're done. So what I would like for you to do now is try to practice problems your own and pause the video.